Okay, 6 after 6 o'clock. That's the music of Bobby Brown coming in right now. Hey, good night. I'm not saying goodbye. It's a good night. It's a better variety. More music. It should be thinking of commercial-free music station. I would love to do so. Bobby Bong on the radio to took us around 100.3 News FM.
On 100.3 Radyo Siram, you're listening to Papa Bong.
Hey, when I'm ready, may shoutout po tayo ngayong gabi. Maraming nanonood sa ating live stream. Alright, magandang gabi kay bagong architect Sheena Manguba. Good evening, happy listening to you, Sheena Manguba from Ricky Manguba. And hello sa inyo, Jan Manguba family. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa ating live streaming ngayong gabi. And syempre kay Vasi Marilag dyan sa Washington. Share out daw. And hi to Gene Eric. Hello, Gene Eric. How are you? And kay Joseph Neric. Watching from Ligao. Oy, mga taga-Ligao. Maray na bangi po sa inyo dyan. Kumusta ka mo? Welcome to Radyo Siram. Enjoy the music, enjoy the show as I move on till 9 o'clock tonight. I've got lots of great music. This time it's Sable. Or should I say Sabil? 6:24 in the nighttime. Oh, nice music right here in Dalagal. Bye. We are broadcasting live and we are proud of it. Radyo Siram 100.3 News FM.
You come back in my life, playing the same old tune. You can say what you like.
This is the first and only solar-powered radio station in the Bicol region. DWRS. Radyo Siram 100.3 News FM.
It's 6:32 right now, and hoo-ya, ooh-ha. Thank you for watching that live streaming right now. We are live. Patuloy po kayo nakikinig sa Tugtugan Siram 100.3 News FM. Oh, paborito ito ng mga bata ngayon. Naririnig ko sila kinakanta ito. Lalo na yung aking mga anak ko. Si Kal-El. Hello, Kal-El. Ito ang Superman na pango. No, kidding, my boy. And syempre naman, hello to Zoe. Hello, Zoe. And to Lexi and Alexa. And to CJ. Hey, my man, how are you doing tonight? And that's Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. Hello! O bakit? Asan na ba yung isi-shoutout ko? Shoutout kay watching from Malubago Relocation Site. Uy, sa mga taga Malubago Relocation Site, good evening kay, ano yung pangalan yan? Baraliktad ang pangalan? Hindi ko mabasa. Mabaliktad mo na ako. Hello kay Sinaida Zen. Hello, pleasant evening to you, Zen. Thanks for riding in up tonight. Nataday mo sulog buhok mo. Natapag sulog ko ang buhok ko. Yan ang magaday mo na ilay. Shout out po kay Kangaw ng Ginubatan. Permida nakatulin. Kamag-anak ko dyan sa Family David, Family Cardinal. Alright? So, magandang gabi po sa mga taga-Ginubatan. Sa David Family and Cardinal Family. And kay Janet May David ng Kangaw, Ginubatan, Albay. Pero ano, pag nagugulong kagaw. Alright, thank you very much. Good evening po. Pabati sa family Pansipane, Luiles, Munda, and they are from Bariu, Kamalik. Uy, Kamalik Albay. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Gali pala kami dyan kahapon. Good evening and welcome to Tugtugan Siram. Ito po si Papa Bong.